Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your step teen banking service. So if you are looking for a way by means of which you can make your young teen children more financially independent and more financially literate, this is a perfect app for the teenagers to be on. So if you're wondering how you can log into your account, first of all make sure that you've already downloaded the app on your mobile device and then open up the app. As you open up the app, you will land on an interface that looks like this, where you can just simply swipe left in order to see different services that Step provides. Then tap on sign up or login in order to begin logging into your account. Once you land on this page, all you have to do is enter the phone number that you had previously used in order to create your own account. After doing so, tap on the next button on the top right corner, and then on verifying your phone number, also enter the password to your account, and eventually you'll be able to see that you will have gotten logged into your account. So it is basically this simple to log into your Step Teen banking service. It's a very simple process, and I hope that with the help of this video, you'll be able to log into your own account. If you do so, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get reminded every single time that we come up with a new tutorial video on how to geek. Thanks a lot for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.